coming back to the same place kind of gives you an idea of where you're at in comparison to the last time you came. So to me, that's what this place is about. This is one of the first places where we tried the tubes when we discovered the tool itself. Now every time we come back, it's a good way to know like how it evolved and where we're at, what we've accomplished or what we've done, and yeah. So
how you became a better person over the years?
I think that's the goal.
Oh!
Isn't it? See, like the steam fog is slowly starting over there already.
Wow.
It's gonna be nice.
Again, the unexpected happened yesterday. We know we had chances of having. Well, first let's call it the right way. We didn't know what was that name. I thought it was steam. Kim was saying fog.
Yeah, I thought it was fog.
And in the end, we found out that it's steam fog. Steam fog.
Steam fog.
Yeah, we knew we had a chance to see steam fog, but we thought it would be only in the morning, like early in the morning. But we had that right after the sunset yesterday, and it was really beautiful. And I could see it only when I was using my headlamp. With the light painting, it was not visible at all. But I thought of like it looks so similar to our studio work with the smoke machine, especially the first one that I tried. So what I did, I simply went behind Kim with the flashlight and I did a very short exposure. And I knew I was into something, so I thought a little bit about it, and I decided to swipe left, right, turn off the light, and let the exposure run a little bit, and that worked so well. It was really beautiful.
Yeah, because then you could see like more of the steam fog along the line of the horizon. Because you've been working with smoke a lot in studio, like you kind of applied what you know and what you experiment with outside yesterday. You know how it changes the...
Yeah, these colors are... Oh, what's that horizon?
Oh. Maybe the table sank.